One day, Diamond Thomas is pulling the special goods train taken to the Brandon docks. He's pulling the very heavy loads. Usually, Henry or Murdoch, Donald and Douglas is pulling his train, right? But he's busy somewhere else. So all the engine variable is Diamond Thomas. Passing the Henry's tunnel, passing the tunnel, and washdown. Passing the Crosby. Passing the Sodor suspension bridge. Passing Sir Lawrence House, McCall's from Sheffield, and passing Wellsworth. Then need to switch to the Brandon docks. Thomas had to be docks before then, but the load was heavy, so Thomas's popped as hard as he could. It popped so hard the traction rods broke. He wasn't going anywhere. "Oh dear," said Diamond Thomas, "I'll be late." A few moments later, Thomas's driver right there, with the new piston rods, all fixed up and happy, pulling the new coupling rods. Passing Wellsworth Vicarage Oil Trade. Passing the Cronk's Scrapyard. Passing the bridge. Passing the road surgery. passing an animal park, passing the upper Brandon and Brandon station, they arrived at Brandon Docks just in time. Thankfully, it wasn't very late. Thomas's driver found the couple rods. Right on time. Soon, all the trucks is unloaded to the cranky and baby, and the job is finished. Well done, Thomas. Well done, Diamond Thomas. You are a really useful engine. Thank you, dear 352. You're the best. You're welcome. 구독과 좋아요, 알림설정 부탁드리고요. 영어로는 like, subscribe, comment below, and that's it. See you later, guys. Bye. 좀 이따 봐요. 안녕.